Hello, new first-year students in H402 Food and Nutrition Management Program. This tutorial video will help and teach you the step-by-step instructions in how to double-check over your specific program health form documents before you finalize your submission and pay the initial submission fee to the Paramed Placement Pass portal to receive a Paramed clearance stamp and be eligible for your upcoming field placement. The Mass Fit Test certificate is required for the H402 Food and Nutrition Management Program. Please make sure that you submit and upload your certificate as well to your Paramed portal account. For more information about the Mass Fit Test, please check our YouTube tutorial video and how to register and book for your Mass Fit Test certificate. This tutorial video will help and teach you the step-by-step instructions in how to double-check over your specific program health form documents before you finalize your submission and pay for the initial submission fee to the Paramed Placement Pass portal and to receive a final clearance and be eligible for your upcoming dental practice. First, please make sure that you fill out and complete all the top portions of the form with your name and ID and sign the last pages of the agreement forms. Tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. Please make sure that your Tdap shot is valid within 10 years and your doctor document the date on the form and attach any proof of it. If this section is blank or missing, please follow up with your doctor to correct the information on the health form before you submit and upload it to the Paramed portal. Otherwise, you will not receive a clearance stamp from Paramed and you will pay a resubmission fee. Please click on our Tdap and Adasol tutorial video for more detailed instructions. And the COVID-19 vaccination is highly recommended only for the School of Dental programs. If you are fully vaccinated, please ask the doctor to document the dates on the form and attach your proof of COVID-19 QR code. If you're an international student and receive COVID-19 vaccination from your home country, please make sure that you have also a copy of that vaccination record from your home country and attach it to your health form documents. If you are unvaccinated to COVID-19, you can leave this section blank on the form. For more information about the COVID-19 and seasonal flu shot, please check our YouTube tutorial video. Measles, mumps, and rubella. If you are submitting proof of 2 doses in the past, please make sure that your doctor document the dates on the form, and it must look like this. If you are submitting a copy of your laboratory evidence of immunity, submit your blood test report that shows immune, reactive, positive test result. Please make sure that your doctor check the box here and ask for the copy of your blood test report as proof of immunity. If you're submitting a copy of your blood test report and the result was non-reactive, please make sure that your doctor checked the box and document any proof of vaccination from previous doses or new doses on the form. Varicella or chickenpox. If you're submitting proof of 2 doses, please make sure that your doctor document the vaccination dates on the form and attach proof of immunization record. If this section is blank or missing, please follow up with your doctor's office to correct the information on the health form before you submit and upload it to the Paramed portal. Otherwise, you will not receive a clearance stamp from Paramed and you will pay a resubmission fee. If you are submitting a copy of your varicella blood test report that shows immune, reactive, positive, please make sure that you ask for a copy of the blood test report and attach it to your health form. If you're submitting a copy of your blood test report that has non-reactive result, please make sure if the result is non-reactive, not immune, that your doctor document any previous 2 doses or the new booster shots that you receive on the form. Hepatitis B, please make sure that you attach a copy of your blood test report for hepatitis B. If it shows reactive, you're done, you're good to go. If it shows non-reactive, if you're submitting a copy of your blood test report that was not immune, non-reactive, negative result, please make sure that your doctor document any previous or new doses on the form. For more information, please check our YouTube tutorial video for more detailed instructions. Please note that if you can't find any records of your hepatitis B shot, the main thing is you receive the first and second doses for now by the given program deadline. Two-step TB skin test. If you're submitting a brand new TB skin test and the result was either negative or less than 10 millimeters in duration size, then your form should look like this. Please note that you cannot leave this section blank whether you're negative or positive to TB skin test. If you have proof of previous 2-step TB skin test and the result was both negative, then ask your doctor to renew a step 1 TB skin test only and document your TB skin test information just like this. If you have proof of previous TB skin test and the result was positive, then your form should look like this. Your doctor must answer the TB questions below and attach a chest x-ray report that's valid every 2 years, and attach it to your health form documents. For more information about the 2 consecutive-step TB skin test, please click on the 2-step TB tutorial video for more detailed instructions. Now let's move on to the additional requirements and non-medical certificates for your programs. Vulnerable sector check. Please make sure that you receive your vulnerable sector check by the given deadline. If you live in Toronto, your vulnerable sector check should look like this. Whatever the issued and expiry date, that's the date that you will write on your forms. If you live in York Region, Peel Regional Police, this is how your vulnerable sector check look like. For York Region, from York Region, your vulnerable sector check looks like this. So please make sure you write down the issue date and expiry date on the health form. For more information about vulnerable sector check, please visit our tutorial video, part 7. Please write down the issue date and expiry date of your vulnerable sector check. Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System, WHMIS certificate. Please make sure that you attach a copy of your WHMIS certificate to your health form and also submit and upload it to the Paramed portal. WHMIS is valid 3 years after the issue date, and that is the date that you will write on your health form documents.